In this video, I want to show you how to use the coordinator tools. So some of you have this coordinator tools menu. This is where you can look at active requests and completed requests. And we can do searches by to be approved by, for example, your department's approver, by a department or by building or by room. So we can do quick searches for anything that's active or closed. So let's say I want to look for departments. So let's go over here and let's look for anything related to engineering. So I just start typing a few keywords here. I'm going to look at everything related to electrical engineering, and I can see this list of active work orders for electrical engineering. I can go and print, for example, and I can get a little report of all of my active work orders for College of Electrical or Electrical Engineering actually. You can also do a search by building or by room. So first you can do a search by, let's say you want to do a search by building. I want to know anything that's going on, for example, in Broadman Hall. So I can type in Broadman Hall over here, and I can do a search by Broadman Hall. I select Broadman Hall, do a quick search, and it tells you all the work orders that are happening in Broadman Hall. Similarly, you can do a quick search, for example, of let's look at the building ECS. Let's look at the building and room. You can look at building ECS, and I can do a search by, I can select a room in ECS, for example, and I can see if there's any work orders in there. I see there are no work orders related for room 202 or ECS 202. You can also look at the map here. If you're not sure where the room is, you can open this, for example, in a new tab by right-clicking on it. And you can see that if you go to another tab on the browser, it opens up the map and you can start searching for your room. So I'm going to go back to the first tab and do that. Similarly, completed work orders is the same way. You can search by building, by department. Let's look at all work orders that have been completed for, in here you can type department number, for example, or you can start typing the name of the department here. So let's look at work orders that have been completed for facilities management engineering services. Do search, and you can see that there's 219 work orders that we completed here. And again, you can also do a print of the report. This tells you how many actual work orders you have. You can open the work order. You can look at the details of the work order through there. And it's as simple as that. You can also still look at your old tools over here. These are for orders that you basically entered. So my active request, for example, will focus on things that you submitted yourself. And you can list up to 100 items in here. And you can still search and look at the details of that work. All right, have fun.